Okay, so I'm currently in, what do you call it? Not labor and delivery, well, labor and delivery. But, I went to my 34-week appointment earlier today. And yesterday I was having really high blood pressure at home when I was taking my readings. And I took my medicine and it wasn't going down. And I was just really feeling sick, but I thought, well, whatever, I'll go to my appointment tomorrow. They'll do the whole shebang. I'll come home, you know, no big deal. So I went to my appointment today. It was actually with my mom today, and they ended up, my blood pressure was like 170 over 110. So they ended up telling me I had to come to labor and delivery, and I was like, okay. Well, I'm on medication right now for them to get my blood pressure down. And my doctor wanted to keep me overnight. So I'm here overnight. My mom was here with me. My husband came and brought my laptop and my charger and stuff, but he went back home. They were at home with the kids because there's no point of them sleeping here with me. I look so tired and busted, but I'm just really tired. I'll be 35 weeks in a couple days, but you know, we still want to keep the baby in there till at least 37 weeks, so a couple more weeks. So he's trying to get my blood pressure down so that I can go back home. But yeah, I couldn't sleep, so I just thought I'd jump on here. I wasn't even gonna vlog because first of all, I feel like crap. I look like crap, and I can't sleep. It's like 10:30, and they're gonna be checking my blood pressure every 2 hours anyways to wake me up and do that. So it's my room. Got my these things on my leg too. Since I can't move, he said I can't get up besides going to the bathroom. So got those on there. It's all my medications I have to take. So yeah, my room's kind of empty. This is basically the kind of room I'll be in after I deliver the baby. So yeah, looks so gross. Anyways, that's where we're at. And this IV hurts so bad. Hurts so bad. That was probably the worst thing. Oh, and they gave me a steroid shot in case I do have to deliver the baby. Like, they couldn't get my blood pressure down. They gave me a steroid shot to help boost his lungs up, so that even if he was born right now, he'd have a better chance of breathing on his own. So yeah, fun times. Hello. I'm back home. I stayed in the hospital for 24 hours. I came home last night, and I've just been taking it easy. They basically gave me 2 different blood pressure medications, and then like right before I was discharged, my blood pressure was like right at the cusp of being high, and they almost didn't let me go, but they were like, you have to take it easy, like you can't do anything. So I'm in bed all weekend. My medications make me really dizzy and have a headache, and so that really sucks because I kind of just feel like crap all the time now. But baby's doing okay in there. He was monitored and he was doing fine. So it's just me going through it's just me going through all this crap. But I'm hoping that I can deliver in a couple weeks. I'm 35 weeks today, so I'm hoping I can deliver in a couple weeks and this blood pressure issue will go away. I look like crap, I know, but I was able to take a shower last night. Felt so good. My husband picked me up. We got dinner. I'm hungry. I need to eat something. But yeah, it's Saturday. We're gonna relax. The kids are, my daughter's with her dad, and my son is with my mom. so he's with grandma, so just gonna chillax for today, hopefully eat and hang out. We're gonna get out of the house for a little bit, go get lunch. My baby's taking me to lunch, right?
Yeah.
He cleaned the house this morning, so I get to get ready a little bit. And supposed to be taking it easy, but we're just gonna go eat and come back home and probably take a nap. I just took my medication, so hopefully I don't get a freaking headache while we're there. But the other day when I went to my checkup, I was gonna mention that he did weigh the baby. Well, they did an ultrasound. Was saying that the baby's around 5.5 pounds now, so that's good. I'm 35 weeks today, so it's still considered he'd still be considered a preemie if he was born now, but still have a better chance, you know, living on his own. I also got those steroid shots when I was in the hospital. It freaking hurt so bad, but those help with his lungs if he had to come out early. Some cops. Oh, look, he's running around. Let's go drive by there.
Yeah, let's go. Sure enough.
So there's a cop situation over here. See him running into his car and shit. Yeah, we gotta put our seatbelts on. Let's be nosy.
Right
oh,
there.
look. Is he gonna come block this straight off? Oh no, look. Go, babe. Oh, the highway patrol and everything. I think someone's running.
Yeah, so I. Run!
Oh, the highway patrol's going after him too.
Oh, see a car.
We're so nosy.
Run, police!
The fence was open.
Run, car!
He's like, "Food police," is like all laughing. Oh my gosh, babe. We don't want to be part of this chase.
I'm out of here. Shit, I'm on fucking paper. I ain't gonna fuck around with that.
Anyway, so I'll show you where we're going to Olive Garden, so I'll show you our food when we get there. Okay, we're gonna put the bassinet together. Finally, he's doing his daddy duties.
Get out of here. That shit.
Okay, that was pretty easy. This thing comes up and covers, but I have it tied down for now. Got a, what do you call it, cover on there. And it's done.
Baby will be pooping in there in no time.
Okay, we got the blanket on there. This little Egyptian quilt. We got the mobile. We couldn't find any Egyptian mobiles to match, but we got this on the wall. That was already there. And yeah, there's his crib next to his brother's bed. So that's all set up for now. So I got this over-the-door organizer to put like diapers, wipes. It's just right here next to the crib since we don't have a changing table on this crib. Just to have it ready, like, so I can grab it. I've already ran into a little midget problem. This top shelf is a little too high for me, but it's okay. I'll just put stuff up there that I don't need to like grab right away. So I'm gonna fill this up with diapers, wipes, whatever I need. So here we go. Alrighty, so we got the wipes down here, diapers. This is like a grooming kit in here, and then I have all like his, you know, Desitin bath stuff up there. So I think that was a good way to kind of have like the changing table stuff without the changing table and be right there. Just easy to grab. So I am making a HelloFresh meal. This is the sweet ginger pork chops with buttery rice and roasted green beans. Here's my ingredients over here. Got my pork chops. Ugh, my sink looks dirty. Got my pork chops right here ready. Usually every meal that I get from there I like, so I don't think I've met one that I haven't, so it's pretty good. While we cook, let me get my belly out of the way. My foot is swollen. I guess my feet, but my right one is like way worse. I don't know why my right foot like swells worse. And my ankle too, so I need to sit down pretty soon. So if you don't know what HelloFresh is, I'm pretty sure everyone does, but if you don't, it's basically just like a pre-ordered meal. There's like pre-ordered meals that you can pick off of, or pick and choose off the website. I send you everything you need for that meal. Mostly, sometimes you still need like your own oil and stuff like that. And then it's like step by step. Shows you how to make it. So yeah. I'm showing you the wrong one. I was like, wait a second. Anyway, this is the right one. It doesn't matter. So yeah, that's what I like about it. I was gonna say, oh, so you know how I was saying it was pricey? There are people who like promote HelloFresh online, and you can use their coupon codes or whatever to get money off. So just an FYI, not sponsored, obviously. I'm not big enough to be sponsored, but I do like HelloFresh. All right, what do you think? Does it look like the picture? Kind of. Not exactly. As much as I'm looking forward to eating this meal, I've had heartburn all day. While I grab my boob. I think it started because I ate some freaking peanut butter this morning before we went to Olive Garden, and it's hurt so bad since then. Like, it's not just heartburn, it's like acid reflux. Like, I'm burping up all my food. Probably sounds disgusting. I know, but that's how I freaking feel. So I took like an antacid. It's not working. I just want to eat. I'm so hungry, but like I can't eat because I just like it pushes up all in my stomach. Another complaint for today. All right, so I had my follow-up appointment with my doctor today, and my blood pressure, it's not as high as it was when I went to the hospital, but it is still like in the elevated range. So basically he wants me to like double one of my other, so I'm on 2 different medications. He wants me to double one of them, which really sucks because they make me feel like crap. I'm going to do that. And then he just wanted to talk about, like, he said basically we're going to induce at 37 weeks. And he also brought up the option of doing a scheduled C-section. So I had a C-section with my daughter. I was induced with her, and we had an emergency C-section because her heart rate was dipping. And then with my son, I went into labor naturally, and I had a VBAC, which just means I had him, you know, vaginally after a C-section. And that was a really good experience because he came naturally. You know, my body did what it needed to do naturally. He came out really fast. But I never thought about, I just was like, oh, I'll do that again. But now my doctor's saying that my cervix is still, like, it's still tight. It's not like, you know, dilated at all. And he said I can still be induced and have to do like the balloon method, try to get my cervix to open up, or I can just schedule a C-section. So I didn't really think about doing that, scheduling a C-section, but now I'm kind of considering it. I don't know, I'm just on the fence about it, but now I'm also having to go do the stress testing for the baby twice a week until I deliver. So basically I have like a week and a half left of this before I'm gonna basically be delivering this baby. I'm gonna end this vlog because there will be more to come, obviously. I'm just trying to hang in there. I'm really, really tired and ready to be done being pregnant. Anyways, obviously you can tell I'm tired. Look at me. Look at me. I'm not even ready. So I'm just gonna keep continuing to take it easy, take my meds, stay on my blood pressure, like readings and checking them at home. We'll keep you posted in the next vlog. So see you then.